Hey, everyone! Welcome aboard. You're watching Stream Smart with LiveU Solo PRO, powered by GadgetsPod. This isn't just another tech series, it's your hands-on, creator-tested, field-proven guide to unlocking the full potential of one of the most powerful, portable streaming tools out there. Let's get streaming the smart way. So if you've just picked up a LiveU Solo PRO, or planning to own one, and you're wondering how pro streamers make their live broadcasts rock solid, you're in the right place. Did you know LiveU is trusted by leading broadcasters and creators worldwide for reliable, high-quality live streaming? Here's a quick look at what we're covering in this series. We'll start with the unboxing, covering everything that comes in the box and what you'll actually use when you go live. Then in Know Your LiveU, we'll break down the hardware, including ports, buttons, sleeves, accessories, and how to set it up the right way. Next, we'll walk through creating your LiveU account and linking your unit in the portal setup episode. In streaming setup, we'll connect the camera, power, and networks, basically everything you need before hitting go live. In Go Live, we'll actually stream to platforms like YouTube and Facebook and test LiveU's powerful LRT bonding in real time. Finally, we'll explore stream tools, where you'll learn how to stream to multiple platforms, add a logo, boost your audio, and a lot more. So wherever you are in your LiveU journey, this series has something for you. LiveU Solo PRO unit was sent to us by ARK Info Solutions Private Limited, the official authorized distributor of LiveU in India. They also happen to be the same folks we purchased our original LiveU Solo from. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for testing and review. This is not a paid promotion. The LiveU Solo PRO unit was provided to GadgetsPod for testing and review purposes. All thoughts and opinions shared in this video are based entirely on our independent testing and understanding of the product. There is no influence from the brand or distributor. All right, it's time. Let's dive into the unboxing. We're about to see everything that comes standard with the LiveU Solo PRO, and I'll walk you through what each item does. Let's take a closer look at what you actually get in the box with the LiveU Solo PRO. But first, let's carefully get this box open. Always the most exciting part, right? You never really know how a product feels until it's in your hands. Packaging's solid, no surprises there, coming from LiveU. All right, let's see what's inside this kit and how they've laid it out for creators like us. Pro tip: always purchase from authorized distributors. It ensures you get original gear, support, and warranty. Right on top, we've got the welcome guide. It's simple, but useful, and includes QR codes that you can scan for instant access to setup guides, FAQs, and official resources. Super handy if you're setting this up for the first time. Now, opening up this main box, here's everything neatly packed inside. First, we've got the cross-shoulder carry pouch. Then 2 right-angle USB 2.0 Type-A cables. 1 HDMI female to HDMI male adapter cable, a power adapter with regional plug options. And lastly, in the accessories we have the HDMI tension clip. Must do, secure your HDMI cable with the tension clip. It helps prevent sudden disconnects while streaming. All right, now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Packed securely in foam, and there it is, the LiveU Solo PRO. Just picking it up, you can feel it. This thing is built solid, a clean matte finish, compact form factor, and it just looks ready for action. This model comes with both HDMI and SDI support, enhanced cooling, upgraded ports, and bonding across multiple networks. It's compact, it's powerful, and it's trusted by professionals across the globe for reliable live broadcasts. And just below the unit, you'll find a sheet of LiveU Solo Pro branding stickers. A nice little touch if you want to label your gear or rep the brand on your kit. With everything out of the box, let's clear some space and lay it all out. Always feels good seeing the full kit on the table, organized and ready to go. This gives you a quick look at what you'll be working with. And trust me, each piece here plays a part in getting the most out of your LiveU Solo PRO. We'll walk through how everything connects and fits into your workflow in the next part. Mistake to avoid: Don't rush to plug things in. Take a moment to understand each cable and port. It could save your gear from getting damaged. Let's now take a closer look at each accessory that came in the box, starting with the video essentials. 1. HDMI, female to male adapter cable. First up, the HDMI adapter cable, a simple but essential add-on. It gives you more flexibility when connecting your camera or switcher, especially when working with tight spaces or awkward cable angles. Right-angle USB Type-A cables. You also get 2 right-angle USB Type-A cables. These are designed to connect your USB modems cleanly, without the cables sticking out too far. Super useful for compact or mobile setups. Here's a quick tip that'll save you during a live stream. Always label your modem cables. Just tag them as modem 1, modem 2, and so on, because when things go wrong, and they sometimes do, knowing which cable goes where can help you fix it fast without the panic. Power adapter with plug options. Then we have the LiveU power adapter. It's compact and comes with multiple regional plugs, making it travel ready for international shoots or events. Mistake to avoid. Avoid using third-party power adapters. Always stick to the official one to protect your LiveU Solo PRO. Cross-shoulder carry pouch. This is your default carry pouch for the Solo PRO. It's lightweight and designed for mobility, with front elastic straps for your modems and a belt clip on the back if you want to wear it on your rig or bag. HDMI tension clip. And this little guy is a big deal. The HDMI tension clip, it locks your HDMI cable into place so you don't risk accidental disconnection during a stream, especially important if you're moving around. Before we wrap up, here's a quick look at an optional but highly recommended add-on, the LiveU Solo PRO Belt Pack. This is a custom-designed, rugged pouch made for streamers on the move. It features a secure, double-zippered enclosure to protect the Solo PRO and a clear vinyl window on top so you can view and operate the screen even while it's strapped in. The pack comes with an adjustable belt that fits comfortably around your waist or over gear, making it ideal for hands-free mobility. On the back, you'll find a mesh pocket with cable management straps, perfect for holding your modems and organizing your cabling. And yes, it includes 2 modem Y cables right in the box, letting you connect additional modems easily for stronger connectivity. We'll show you how to properly fit your Solo PRO in both this belt pack and the standard cross-shoulder pouch in the next video. That's it for the unboxing and accessory overview. In the next episode of Stream Smart with GadgetsPod, we're going hands-on with the Solo PRO itself, breaking down every button, port, and connection so you know exactly what goes where. If you're serious about upgrading your live streaming setup, this is the series to watch. Join our WhatsApp community. Just scan the QR code and jump into the LiveU Solo PRO conversation. Tips, updates, and gear talk, all with GadgetsPod. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe to GadgetsPod on YouTube to get notified when each part drops. Stay tuned, stay connected with GadgetsPod. Next episode's gonna be even better till then. Stream smart and stay unstoppable with LiveU Solo PRO.